Good morning guys! Friday today. It is now, actually late na guys, 12:17 ng hapon. I finished editing one video. I also did some stuff kasi bukas na yung alis namin pa Bangkok. I-prepare ko lang yung i-dinner namin mamaya and medyo lightheaded ako guys. Nagpunta ako ng doctor kanina para magpa-blood test. Sobrang tagal ko na kailangan magpa-blood test pero kanina lang nagka-time kasi yung ano nila, lab nila 8 to 12 and 8 to 12 nasa work ako lagi. Nagpunta ako ng Kmart and bumili ako nito sandals. Sa kids to galing guys, $6 lang siya and I've been wanting sandals na ganito and size 4 ako sa kids. Yan. Meron din ganitong style sa adults. Yung size 6 sa adults, actually, kasya siya sa akin. Kaya lang iba yung kulay niya. Parang burgundy tapos black yung sole. Mas gusto ko to na brown lang lahat. Yeah. Anyway, yung dinner namin mamaya is pork belly. Nagpunta si Dan sa Asian grocery kahapon ata. And he got pork belly for us. So, yung binili niya, 2 strips ng pork belly. So, yung gagawin ko sa kanya, guys, is ikakat ko siya in half, yung 2 strips, and then, imamarinate ko siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung tama tong gagawin ko. Actually, no. Imamarinate ko sana siya. Yeah, imamarinate ko siya, guys. Hindi ko pa to na-try na ganitong klaseng pork belly. Nakatry na ako, guys, na mag-air fry ng pork belly and masarap naman siya. Sobrang crispy niya, as in sobrang lutong talaga ng skin niya. Pero yung mga previous pork belly na na-try ko, hindi ko siya minarinate. So this time, i-marinate ko siya just to see kung ano yung flavor niya, guys. Parang experiment lang to ha. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging resulta. We will experiment together. Half. Lagyan natin siya dyan. As in, wala akong ka-idea guys kung tama itong gagawin ko. Lalagyan ko siya ng patis, tapos pepper, at saka, yeah, parang yun lang ata, patis at saka pepper. Last time, nung nag-air fry ako nito, binoil ko siya before ko siya in-air fry. This time, hindi ko siya ibuboil. Instead, imamarinate ko siya, guys. So, meron tayong fish sauce, at saka ito, and then, lalagyan ko na din ng Vegeta Real Gourmet stock, guys. Sana masarap to, no? Kung ano-ano pinagagawa. So, parang isusok lang ata natin ng patis. Yung last time na binoil ko siya, nilagyan ko siya ng patis at saka ito, yung boiling water para may flavor siya. And then, in-air fry ko. So, wala. Gusto ko lang mag-try ng iba and see kung saan yung mas masarap and kung anong method yung kung anong method yung mas nanunuot talaga yung lasa ba. Char. So, tansya-tansya lang to guys. Para lang ma-coat siya. And then, imamassage natin siya. So, yan. Imamassage lang natin siya. So, ito na yung pinaka-flavor niya. So, ganyan na yung itsura niya, guys. I-ano ko lang to, ika-cover ko lang to ng wrap, tapos ilalagay natin siya sa fridge. Maaga pa eh, 12 pa, and lulutuin ko to mamayang 6 pa siguro. So, magmamarinate siya ng mahabang oras, guys. So, sana masarap. Masarap naman siguro, diba? You can never go wrong with patis. Diba? We'll see. We'll see. When we say patis sa Cebu, it's soy sauce, it's toyo. And when you say patis, like sa Manila or patis Tagalog, it's fish sauce. So yung patis sa amin, soy sauce. Dito na ako sa Australia talaga nakagamit ng patis. As in, sobrang inosente ko guys. Nung nasa Cebu ako, when it comes to pagluluto, napaka-inosente ko. Anyway, we'll see kung ano magiging ano nito. Resulta nito maya-maya. Walang laman yung fridge namin kasi aalis kami, diba? So, uy, guys, yung repolyo natin, nandun, repolyo, cabbage, nandun pa din siya. Di pa natin naluto. Pero okay lang yan. Anyway, let's go back to work. Guys, I'm cooking corned beef. Nalagay ko na yung onion at saka yung corned beef mismo. But, I'm adding this. Nahanap ko to sa fridge. And, ano na siya guys, punta na siya sa paluma. So, lalagay ko siya dito para may spice ang ating corned beef. Okay, okay. Ayan, vlog pa more. Ano na? Yan. Okay. So, yan yung ating ulam, lunch natin. Warm na yung rice ko. So, perfect. Yung corned beef ko pala na gamit is the Pure Foods corned beef. I think galing to kay Kasruglin. Yes. Yan. Ganyan na yung itsura ng corned beef, guys. Yan. Hindi ko pa siya natikman, so hindi ko alam kung gaano siya spicy. Tikman natin, guys. Wow, amoy ko yung ano, guys, sili. Okay. Yeah, maanghang siya pero okay lang. Hindi sobrang anghang. Guys, ganito na yung itsura ng mga flowers, guys. Yung roses, medyo namamatay na sila. Yung tulips, tingnan nyo, may nalaglag na mga petals from this. Pero it looks really good. As in, yung nagtatagal talaga yung tulips, no? Maganda yung kulay niya. Yan. And guys, by the way, ito, ganda nito, guys. Keep Cool and Shine Mist. This is from Fixins. Meron silang dalawa nito, yung blue or green ata yung isa. Ito is Keep Cool and Shine Mist. So it gives like really nice subtle shine sa muka. Maganda siya for winter. Tapos kapag hindi oily yung skin nyo, like normal to dry skin, this is perfect. Now I have been using this and it sets my makeup pretty well. Alam niyo naman ako, hindi ako masyadong nagfa-foundation kapag work lang. Ano lang ako, concealer, powder. And then I use this. I've been using it for around siguro a week now. And dyan na ako, guys, kailangan mo lang siyang i-shake well before using, and it's very tiny. So, ililive ko yung link ng shop ko below, guys, if you wanna order this kasi hindi ito mahal. And maganda siya sa skin, mabango pa siya, and I like it. It's very nice as well and very trendy. Keep Cool and Shine Mist. Like, yeah. Nakalimutan ko patayin yung aking ano. Okay, wait. I will start packing kasi hindi pa ako nakapack, guys. As in, wala pa talaga. I will be using yung bagong luggage natin. Yan, this is from the Swiss and Equip. Yan, ito yung black. And I have my Philippines tag. Right there. Sobrang gaan lang nito. As in, ang laki ng luggage ko pero sobrang konti lang yung dadalhin ko, guys. Siguro 5 days worth of clothes lang para masuot ko na din dun yung mga bibilhin ko dun. Guys, this is what I have so far. And ito na yun, guys. Wala na akong ibang dadalhin na damit. See, nagkasya lang siya dyan. And meron pang space. Yan. Ito na. Yan na. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung luggage ko. Bibigay ko yan kay Sisi. Yan yung nabili ko sa Spray. And then, yan yung outfit ko bukas. Yan. Guys, magluto na tayo, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano na itsura ng ating pork belly. You alright?
Yep.
I marinated it. So I'm not gonna boil it tonight. I will just put it straight to the air fryer. Yan. Babe, smell it.
Nah, that one.
Do you want me to cook all of them?
Might as well, otherwise it's gets thrown out.
Yeah.
So might as well.
So ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Let's go cook it. So yung gagamitin natin is yung air fryer natin. Madali lang to, sobra. On mo lang siya. Ito pala yung on. Yan. We will keep it at 180 degrees. Ayan. Lagyan natin yung natirang konting patis. Yan. Okay. Tapos, ano natin? 20 minutes. Try lang natin 20 minutes. I-check natin after 20 minutes. Yan na, guys. Zero na siya, guys. Check natin kung ready na yung pork. Hindi pa to ready, babe. Tingnan natin. Yeah, no, it's not ready yet, babe.
Okay.
Still a bit soft. Sana masarap to. Okay. ilalagay natin.
Is battery charged?
Yep. 6 minutes. Yung kanina guys, inad ko pa ng 3 minutes. So, tapos na yung additional 3 minutes pa. And it looks like this now. It looks really nice. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-crispy. Guys, ganito na yung itsura niya. This is, I don't even know guys. Hindi ko na na-track kung ilang minutes kasi nag-a-add ako. But, see, wala tong oil kasi air fryer yung gamit natin. Babe, is that cool? Look. Hey babe, look. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's cooked.
Tinry siya ni Dan guys. The flavor is actually really good. Now, let's test if it's actually, what do you call that? Crispy? I don't think it's that crispy. Nah.
Not as crispy as boiling.
Yeah. No, not as crispy as the one that I did previously. Maybe because I marinated it. So, yeah, it's a bit, nah, it's not good.
Not good, it's fine.
No, the flavor is really good, but it's not as crispy as,
Nah.
yeah, as before. But no, it's good, guys. Ano siya, makunat. Makunat yung pork belly ko. But that's alright. Now, the flavor is there. Siguro next time, huwag isoak sa patis yung skin. Kasi yung skin makunat na. Pero the flavor is really good. Do you like it?
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's eat. Yan yung ulam ko, guys. And then, meron akong chili mansi na nilagay ko ng more chili. Toyo mansi na may chili. And then, we will watch Shark Tank. Kasi hindi namin to napanood nung Tuesday night. Let's eat! Yung dadalhin ko na bag bukas, guys, is itong aking maliit na backpack. Kasi most of the stuff lalagay sa luggage. Kasi malaki yung luggage. 2 luggage pa yung dala namin. Ito yung mga nandito is yung mga ibibigay ko kay Sisi. Mga skincare na bibigay ko sa kanya, guys. So, puno yan ng ibibigay ko sa kanya. Ito din. Sali natin. I-film ko naman to so makikita nyo kung ano yung mga nandito. Pero yan lahat sa kanya. So, this goes in the luggage. And, yung ilalagay ko dito is yung mga kailangan ko. Yung laptop ko, ilalagay ko sa backpack ni Dan kasi magdadali din siya ng backpack. So, I have yung lalagyan ko ng aking glasses. So, yung dadalhin ko actually, pwede dito sa luggage. Kasi, isusuot ko naman yung mag-eyeglass ako bukas. I have this. Ito yung dadalhin ko na pabango, guys. This is the Bright Peach. Yung from APO. Yan. Kasi, very handy lang niya. Kung kailangan ko man ng bagong pabango, bibili lang ako dun. And then, dala tayo ng ito. Lagi akong may dalang ganito kapag nagta-travel kahit wala ako. Mga panty liner. Ito, ilalagay ko siya sa bag ko, yung aking mist. Lalo na pagdating na dun, na sobrang init na, sobrang humid na, kailangan mo mag-mist lagi. So, yan. And then, yung wallet ko, I need to put that in here. And I need to pack my stuff as well. Okay, okay. Guys, we got rid of some coins sa wallet ko para hindi ganun kabigat yung wallet ko. So, we will put this in the coin bank. Ganito sila dan. Money, money, money. Kunti pa yung laman niya kasi hindi namin siya masyado pinapansin. Kawawa naman ito ating turtle. Yan. Yan. What are we having, my love? Popcorn night. Friday night. And I'll eat my mango, guys. Tingnan nyo to. Go. Kasi hindi pa kasi fully dry yung mga jacks niya. Kaya nilagay niya dyan. Kakainin natin to, guys. Ano to? Sour na mangga. Tapos, sobrang, hinog na. Ito pa yung binili ni Dan. Na matagal na. So, tingnan natin. Try natin. Itatapon na niya sana eh. Sabi ko, huwag mo itapon. Gusto mo kainin yan. So, tingnan natin kung okay yung lasa niya.
Good?
I like it. It's not, hindi na siya maasim. It's not sour anymore, babe. Try it. I want it. Oh, actually, I think it's bad. Itim yung doon niya. Guys, 11:26 na, mga about 1 hour and a half ago, nag-up yung vlog namin ni Dan, yung sinurprise niya ako, and binabasa ko lahat ng comments. So far, nabasa ko lahat ng comments. So, thank you guys. As in, thank you. Hindi ako magaling maganyan, mag-thank you. Hindi ako magaling, hindi ako ma-words. Alam niyo yun. Pero, lagi ako nagpapasalamat na kahit na hindi sa video, lagi ako nagpapasalamat sa kanya. Gabi-gabi before ako matulog, nagpe-pray ako, nagpapasalamat ako sa kanya na meron akong kayo. And yeah, sobrang salamat. Medyo down ako today guys, hindi ko alam kung bakit. I should be happy kasi hala, alis na naman, diba? Dapat masaya, pero for some reason I'm a bit, yeah, anyway. Siguro kailangan ko lang talaga ng break, ng mahabang break, and I think this is the break na I need. So, i-enjoy ko lang to, and, yeah. Yeah, anyway, matutulog na kami kasi maaga pa kami bukas. Thank you so much guys for watching. Wait. I-off na niyo yung ilaw. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night guys. Mwah.